Could Palantir be overvalued? Or is this just another dip before a massive rally? Let's break it all down. Even with optimistic growth assumptions, Palantir's stock could drop 20 to 40% by 2028. Yes, I know. Nobody wants to hear that, especially not after Palantir has been hovering around the $100 mark and recently pulling back to $92. Some of you might even be thinking, dude, Palantir is AI royalty. This thing is going to the moon. And hey, maybe you're right. But let's talk about some serious risks that could lead to a major drop, even if Palantir keeps growing. Why Palantir could drop 40%, even if it keeps growing. Look, Palantir is a beast in the AI world. We're talking about AI-powered decision-making for governments and corporations, defense contracts that make it the backbone of U.S. military AI. Commercial AI adoption growing at breakneck speed, but even with all this momentum, there are massive risks looming over Palantir's stock price. Let's break them down one by one. Valuation. Is Palantir priced like it's already won? Right now, Palantir is trading as if it has already taken over the AI world possibly. And when stocks price in future success too early, they tend to crash back to reality. Potential downside. If Palantir's valuation contracts, we could see it drop to $60 to $70. The Trump tariff bombshell and its impact on AI stocks. Breaking news, Trump just clarified his administration's 25% tariffs on Venezuela. These tariffs apply to any country doing business with Venezuela. China, which imports oil from Venezuela, now faces an extra 25% tariff on top of the existing 20% tariffs. That's a total 45% tariff on some Chinese goods. And why does this matter for Palantir? Because when trade wars start escalating, stock markets get nervous. AI companies like Palantir rely on global supply chains, cloud infrastructure, and data-sharing partnerships, all of which could become more expensive due to rising tariffs. If companies and governments cut spending due to higher operating costs, Palantir could see lower contract values, slower commercial adoption, more market volatility. Potential downside. If market uncertainty rises, Palantir could easily drop below $80 in the short term. Rising operating costs and market slowdown. If tariffs increase costs for tech companies, AI adoption could slow down. Think of it like this, AI is like a super expensive sports car, everyone wants it, but not everyone can afford it. Now imagine if gas prices doubled overnight. Suddenly, that car doesn't seem as affordable anymore. If companies start slashing AI budgets due to higher operating costs, Palantir could see a growth slowdown that impacts its valuation. Worst-case scenario. Palantir's growth slows. Wall Street panics. The stock crashes 30 to 40% in a brutal sell-off. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. But wait. If you are interested in stock news updates that might be relevant to your financial targets, join us and become a member for member-only videos. Find the link in the description section below. The stock market hates uncertainty, and that's a problem for Palantir. Let's be real, the stock market is a drama queen. Investors don't like uncertainty, and right now, there's a lot of it. The AI boom is real, but how fast will it grow? Interest rates are still high, making it harder for companies to justify massive spending on AI. If the market corrects, high-growth stocks like Palantir will be the first to fall. Potential downside. A major market pullback could drag Palantir down to the $70 to $80 range before it stabilizes again. So, is Palantir going to $900 or $60? Let's be honest, both scenarios are possible. The bullish case, if Palantir dominates AI in government and commercial sectors, it could soar past $900 in the next decade. The bearish case, if market growth slows, tariffs increase costs, and valuation contracts, Palantir could drop 40% or more by 2028. Should you buy, sell, or hold? If you're a long-term investor who believes in Palantir's AI revolution, then dips might be a buying opportunity. But, if you're looking for short-term gains, be prepared for serious volatility. My honest take. If you believe in Palantir's long-term AI dominance, buy and hold. If you think the AI hype is overblown, wait for a correction before jumping in. If you're already invested, brace yourself for a wild ride. We've already covered the major risks facing Palantir, from valuation concerns to Trump's new tariff policies potentially causing a stock market shakeup. But now, let's dive into the bull case, because, let's be real, we're all here wondering if Palantir could still hit $500 someday. The AI megatrend, Palantir's secret weapon. If there's one reason to stay bullish on Palantir, it's this: AI is not a passing trend, it's the future. Palantir isn't just another AI company, it's the intelligence backbone of government and enterprise AI systems. Unlike flashy AI startups that burn through cash without profit, Palantir is actually making money and securing multi-billion-dollar contracts left and right. Bullish take: defense partnership alone could fuel Palantir's next leg up to $150 to $200. Bearish take: government contracts are great, but they don't guarantee exponential growth. Palantir still needs commercial adoption to justify its valuation. Cross-domain solutions: the future of AI-powered security. One of the biggest barriers to AI adoption is secure data sharing across industries. That's exactly why Palantir's newest partnerships, like EverFox, focus on cross-domain solutions, CDS. Think of CDS like a universal translator for secure data. It allows different systems to talk to each other without compromising security. Imagine a hospital, an insurance company, and the military all need to share AI-driven insights, but they can't just email each other classified data. Palantir's CDS solves this problem by enabling seamless AI connectivity without security breaches. Faster decision-making for high-stakes industries. A massive competitive advantage over AI companies that can't handle sensitive data. Bullish take: this tech is game-changing and could help Palantir dominate sectors like healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. Bearish take: companies might be slow to adopt CDS due to bureaucracy, regulations, and security concerns. 3. Palantir's moonshot: could it really hit $500? Let's be bold for a second and imagine a world where Palantir goes from $92 to $500. For that to happen, here's what would need to occur: AI adoption would have to grow exponentially, with every major government and corporation using Palantir's software. Palantir would need to outpace competitors like Microsoft, Google, and Snowflake in AI-driven enterprise solutions. Palantir would have to scale beyond government contracts and dominate the commercial sector with AI-driven business intelligence. The company would need to 10x its revenue while maintaining high margins. Bullish take: if AI is truly the next industrial revolution, Palantir could ride this wave and become a trillion-dollar company, just like Nvidia. It's our privilege that God, the creator of heaven and earth, will bless us abundantly, make us the head and not the tail if we love him and obey his commandments. Please acknowledge him in your plans and he will direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Want more information? Please check the description section. Also again, if you are interested in more relevant stock news updates, consider becoming a member. Link in the description section. If you have watched until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you educative and transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today. Your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you. See you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.